Hello everyone, my name is Shankar and I am really excited to attend this interview. I have been working with Node.js for some time now and I enjoy building scalable, efficient backend system using JavaScript and Express.js and Node.js. I am comfortably working with REST APIs, managing dependencies with NPM, and implementing security based best practices like password hashing. I have also worked with middleware in Express, handle asynchronous operations like callback functions, and promises, and have a strong understanding of how package.json plays a crucial role in project management. Okay, let's start the interview. Okay, first question: what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache and PHP? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built in on Chrome version 8 engine that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side. Unlike traditional servers like Apache or PHP, which are thread based, Node.js uses a non blocking event driven architecture. This means it can handle thousands of concurrent connections efficiently without creating a new thread for each request. Next, what is callback function in Node.js and why they are commonly used in asynchronous programming? A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function. It to be called later after an operation completes. In Node.js, since many operations like file input and output operations, database calls are asynchronous, callbacks lets the program continues running while waiting for the task to finish. Okay, next question. What is the purpose of the package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Package.json is like the blueprint for a Node.js project. It holds metadata about your app, such as name and version, dependencies, scripts, and main. This file helps with the dependency management, sharing your project, and automating common tasks. Okay, next question. Explain the differences between require and important statement in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the another? Require is a part of CommonJS, which is the default module system in Node.js. Import is a part of ES modules. ECMA script modules, which is a newer standard. We would use a require for older Node.js projects or when using common JS modules. Import for modern JavaScript is ES6 plus syntax. To use import, you usually need to set type module in your package.json. Okay, next question. What is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how would you use middleware in Express application? Um, Middleware in Express.js refers to the functions that have access to the request and response objects. Okay, next question. What is the RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API follows a set of conventions for building web applications that are scalable and stateless. It uses standard HTTP methods get, post, put, and delete. These are the methods with Node.js and Express.js. Okay, next question. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager, which means NPM, and how do you use it manage dependencies in Node.js project? NPM is the default package manager for Node.js. It allows you to install libraries like Express or Mongo, manage dependencies in package.json, run scripts and commands. You can install packages using npm I package name. Okay, next question. Why is it important to hash passwords in web application? Okay, hashing password is critical for security. If your database is compromised, storing plain text passwords means user credentials are exposed. Hashing turns the password into a encryptable format. unreadable string using algorithms like bytecrypt. Even if the data is stolen, it's almost impossible to reverse the hash. Okay, thank you.